everybody, Danny here. A new day. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of foreground work before we start on our mountain tomorrow, okay? Let's head on over to easel and get to painting. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Well, we were going to go mountain climbing today, but a few things came up that needed our attention. So we're going to put off the mountain trek until tomorrow. We needed something over here to act as a stop to keep the eyes from running off the edge of the paper. And that's what this array is for. Okay, that's what we're doing right here, right now. We're giving the eye something to look at and stop on it rather than just going off the edge of the paper looking for something else. Okay, so we put this in here. That's upright, and that's going to stop the eye. That's why we call it a stop. Okay, and I went ahead and I added some trunks in with the watercolor pencil because I like to use it, and you know how fond I am of it. Okay, and now we're just putting trunks in. Okay, we just activate the watercolor pencil. That's all we need to do. Just activate it, and all of a sudden we have tree trunks and branches and all that good stuff. Just like that. Very, very, very simple. But very important to do, because now all of a sudden we have tree forms and they have a place to live, and branches to make them feel good and everything like that. So we've done our job for the day. Tomorrow we mountain climb, okay? So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the bell icon to get all notifications. Leave comments. We need the comments for the algorithm, and also to let us know how we're doing. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. I think we're ready to start on a mountain tomorrow. Be with me then, and remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.